How to take a screenshot with Assistive Touch in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open Settings and then click on Accessibility. And in Physical and Motor section you can see the option Touch. Click on Touch and then click on Assistive Touch. And Assistive Touch button, turn this button on, and here you can see the Assistive Touch icon. And after turning this button on, go back to home screen and then simply click on Assistive Touch icon. And if you want to take a screenshot, then simply click on device and click on more, and here you can see the option screenshot. Then simply click on screenshot and it will take a screenshot, and then click on screenshot, and here you can crop your screenshot, mark up your screenshot, and then you can delete your screenshot from here. And you want to save your screenshot, then simply click on this share icon, and here you can save your screenshot in your files. So this is the way to take screenshot with Assistive Touch in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.